engine on Sir Topham Hatt's railway looks different. Can you guess who this engine is? This engine has a little blue dome, and it also has a blue ladder and two wheel splashers. This engine is also blue. It's a tank engine. This engine also had two front wheels at the front and two driving wheels at the back. And have you guessed who this engine is yet? Here's another clue. This engine also has a cab, and there's only a halfway wall there. And this engine also has a tall funnel and red linings on him. There's only one blue tank engine with two driving wheels and two small wheels at the front and two wheel splashers and a small dome. Do you know who it is? Yes, it's Hawin. Hello, Hawin.